Hey guys, I'm Jess and I'm here to talk about my skincare routine today. I am preparing for a pretty big day next year. I am getting married in the summer. I have been looking for some way to bring out that inner bridal glow in me, and I am really excited that I've discovered this awesome exfoliation. So this is the new clinical grade resurfacing liquid peel. It's a two-step peeling process, and it's an upgrade from the Dr. Dennis Gross daily peel. So this new formula does have the same combination of acids as the daily peels. They added Bromelain, which comes from pineapples, and it does give it that extra kick. Plus it is a 3.5 pH, so that really gives you that extra exfoliation that we're looking for. What this all means is that it dramatically reduces the look of pores, which I'm obsessed with, and it gives you a radiant complexion, plus it reduces the signs of aging. All right, so it shouldn't be a huge surprise that I want to use this product more than the 2 times I'm using it already. Probably going to be bumping it up to 3. I'm really excited to see my radiant glow on the big day.